Today we're exploring Beautiful AI, a revolutionary tool designed to simplify the creation of stunning presentations and documents. Beautiful AI is perfect for professionals, educators, and students alike, offering a seamless experience for crafting visually captivating content. Throughout this video, we'll be taking a look at Beautiful AI's main features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options. Let's take a look at this AI program's main features. Smart templates. Beautiful AI provides an extensive library of professionally designed templates tailored for various industries and purposes, allowing users to kickstart their projects with ease. Drag and drop interface. With its intuitive drag and drop interface, Beautiful AI enables seamless content creation, empowering users to arrange elements effortlessly. Data visualization. Utilize Beautiful AI's powerful data visualization tools to transform complex data into engaging charts and graphs, enhancing the clarity and impact of your presentations. Collaboration features. Collaborate in real time with team members through Beautiful AI's collaborative editing and commenting features, fostering seamless teamwork and communication. Custom branding. Personalize your presentations and documents with custom branding options, including logos, colors, and fonts, ensuring a consistent and professional look. Export options. Beautiful AI offers flexible export options, allowing users to export their creations in various formats, including PDF, PowerPoint, and image files, for easy sharing and distribution. Beautiful AI offers competitive pricing plans, starting at $15 per month for the basic plan, $30 per month for the standard plan, and $60 per month for the pro plan. Each plan offers unique features and benefits tailored to different user needs, ensuring that there's an option for everyone. Experience the simplicity and elegance of Beautiful AI's user interface, designed to streamline the creation process and maximize productivity. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a novice user, Beautiful AI's intuitive design makes crafting stunning presentations and documents a breeze. Beautiful AI stands out for its extensive template library, intuitive interface, robust data visualization tools, collaborative features, custom branding options, and flexible support capabilities. On the other hand, though, some users may find the pricing slightly higher compared to other presentation tools, and the learning curve for advanced features may be steep for beginners. Looking for alternatives to Beautiful AI? Consider presentation and document creation tools like Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, Canva, Prezi, and Adobe Spark, each offering unique features and pricing options to suit different user preferences and requirements. Beautiful AI revolutionizes the way presentations and documents are created, offering a powerful yet user-friendly platform for unleashing your creativity. With its extensive features, intuitive interface, and seamless collaboration capabilities, Beautiful AI empowers users to craft visually stunning content effortlessly. Sign up for Beautiful AI today and take your presentations to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Internet for more tips and insights. Thank you for watching.